Welcome to the advice column for professional use. Today we are talking about Renon detergent. Renon is an Ecolabel detergent, complying with CAM requirements, based on organic acids with high anti-scale power. What is it used for? Renon is the ideal cleaner for daily maintenance of sanitary facilities, bathtubs, shower cubicles, taps, wash basins and wall tiles. Its formula guarantees good performance on porcelain and ceramic taps and sanitary as well as on chrome, stainless steel and synthetic material surfaces. Renon easily removes lime scale residues, lime soap and greasy dirt and cosmetic stains. Let's find out how to use Renon. Spray 1 or 2 times on a cloth or sponge, distribute with cloth or sponge, rinse after allowing to act for a short time. For heavy dirt, spray directly into the surface. For current cleaning, Renon guarantees a yield of 5 ml per square meter. For intensive cleaning, Renon guarantees a yield of 10 ml per square meter. Wear gloves, protective clothing. Protect eyes and face.